Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Oppo K1 was launched featuring an in-display fingerprint sensor and HyperBoost tech for an optimized gaming experience. Other highlights of the Oppo K1 include its waterdrop shaped display notch, its large 6.4-inch display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, its dual rear camera setup, as well as its gradient designed rear panel. The Oppo K1 also bears a massive 25-megapixel selfie camera, with AI-based beautification features and 296-point facial recognition. The rear camera also features AI scene detection, as well as an AI-powered portrait mode. Oppo K1 specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Oppo K1 runs ColorOS 5.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. It sports a 6.4-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 2340 pixels, AMOLED display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 402 pixel density, 91% screen-to-body ratio, and a peak brightness of 430 nits. It is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 660 SoC clocked at up to 1.95 GHz, coupled with the Adreno 512 GPU and 4 GB RAM. The Oppo K1 bears a dual rear camera setup, with the primary 16-megapixel camera, f/1.7 aperture, paired with a secondary 2-megapixel camera, f/2.4 aperture. The rear camera also features an LED flash module. On the front, the Oppo K1 sports a 25-megapixel selfie camera with an f/2.0 aperture. As for storage, the smartphone ships with 64 GB of inbuilt storage on both variants. The Oppo K1 price in India is set at Rs 16,990 or approximately $237 for the sole 4 GB RAM/64 GB storage model. It will be available in Astral Blue and Piano Black. To recall, the smartphone was launched in China back in October 2018, and included a 6 GB RAM offering. We can expect this variant to be launched in India at a later date. The smartphone will be available via Flipkart from 12 p.m. IST on February 12, the company revealed. Oppo K1 launch offers include 10% instant discount on Citibank credit and debit cards, no-cost IMEIs, Flipkart's buyback guarantee, 90% value at Rs.1, and complete mobile protection. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.